Life Stewardship – Agreements that sow life. Spain is one of the most biodiverse countries in the European Union thanks to its geographical location, climate, history and land use. But this wealth is threatened by human activity, one of the reasons behind climate change, pollution and the over-exploitation of resources threaten the balance of ecosystems. Faced with this climate emergency, we need a new social model, one that's based on a commitment to sustainability, scientific knowledge, alliances and new lifestyles. Land stewardship is an innovative tool that aims to boost collaboration and put people at the center of the solution. It consists of voluntary agreements between landowners and local organizations promoting alliances and collaborations to maintain these spaces and making good use of their natural, cultural and landscape resources for greater added value. These agreements aim to preserve the natural and cultural wealth of the places where they are formalized. They also strengthen the bonds between people and their environment and build lasting relationships that create healthier, greener and more balanced spaces. In Spain, 268 entities participate in land stewardship and 4,632 agreements have been reached on 708,000 hectares. But there's still a lot of untapped potential. The goal of life stewardship is to promote land stewardship as a tool for nature conservation through innovation and cooperation between public administrations, landowners, companies, NGOs and other associations. Innovation, the mobilization of financial resources and experience and knowledge exchange at the international level are the main pillars of its actions. These pillars will be reinforced by a strategy of capacity building, advisory services and experience exchanges. Specifically, work is underway to promote new financial tools for nature conservation, improved processes and assessment of the results of stewardship agreements, and to promote training and access to resources for the stewardship community. 25 pilot projects will be launched to test innovative funding mechanisms. Collaboration between public bodies, conservation organizations and companies will be boosted in order to mobilize public and private funds and support participation in European projects. Efforts to boost the effectiveness of the agreements will be made on an ongoing basis by improving processes and continuously assessing their positive impact on nature conservation. The project will also create a national focal point and online platform to provide advice and exchange experiences. European and international land stewardship networks will be strengthened in order to better disseminate and build on the good practices learned. Life stewardship opens up opportunities and transformative channels to boost conservation, restore ecosystems, and strengthen social cohesion, thus making a positive and lasting impact on our biodiversity. The Life Stewardship Project is coordinated by the Biodiversity Foundation of the Spanish Ministry for Ecological Transition and the Demographic Challenge. Its partners include Eurosite, the Forum of Land Stewardship Networks and Associations, the Global Nature Foundation, the Fernando González Bernáldez Foundation Europarc-Spain, SEO BirdLife and Nature Conservation Network. It is co-founded by the EU LIFE program.